Hello, everybody. It's Arrington. I just want to show you a little thing. So I'm working on this 26-1 kit right here, and I cleaned it up, but I need to replace the amphenol connector, the female amphenol connector right here. See, it's cracked. And to take these things off, to take this apart to actually get to the amphenol connector, you have to take off these little rivets you see right here. I'll let that kind of focus in right there. And there's two, one on both sides, and they're often difficult to get off to remove properly, because if you put just too much pressure, it could snap it and break it. And you have to get a whole new bracket. That's what they're called, brackets, and that's just time wasting time. So what I like to do is get a small, really small flathead screwdriver, and just take my time. I'll try to show you guys what I'm doing. It's kind of hard, but yeah, help you out. So put it on one side, just pry it up a little bit, take my time, no rush. And it's out. I should do the other side. It's out. Yeah. This will slide right off. So I can get it popped off. Yeah, there's them there. I can take it off. But yeah, that's how you take off the little clamps easily, and so they don't break, and so you don't bend any of these metals. But yeah, that's the video, and my father says, peace out.